Yeah, guys, so look, it's 7:54. See my camera right here? 7:54 right here. 7:54. Where's it at, Johnny? 7:54. That's 8:54 where I came from. And we're out shopping for properties. We've looked at, I don't know, probably 11 deals today. Spoke at Baylor University, drove up to Waco, handled a problem with the plane, and now it's 8 o'clock and I got my team and we're out looking for property. You guys that are investing in real estate or running your business, okay? I've been doing this 25 years, maybe 30 years now. You need to be working at 9 o'clock at night. I mean, I don't know any other way to tell you. You want to make it, this is what it takes. You got to find out what these properties are like at night. You got to keep calling on people long after everybody's done and tired and going home and think that they're entitled to be with their family. This is what it takes. There's no nice way to say this. This is the real deal. And the world's posting nice, beautiful little quotes on Instagram and Facebook and everything, but that's not the real world. The real world requires work and effort when everybody else is going home. You want to make it to the top of the food chain? Ask everybody that's made it. The super successful people work when everyone else has called it a day. Am I right, Captain Ryan?
You're right.
Okay. For all of you out there like, oh, I'm not willing to pay that price. Well, then just get a t-shirt. Get a fucking t-shirt. I'm not willing to pay that price. And quit making the people that are willing to pay the price wrong because they are. We in Austin, Texas, Round Rock. I bought a deal here, what, 5 or 6 years ago, made $4 million. Hey guys, 8 p.m. at night, I'm in Round Rock, Texas, just outside of Austin. And we've been shopping deals all day long, okay? I just finished, I drove all the way to Waco, looked at 11 deals in Austin this morning, flew in this morning, looked at 11 deals in Austin, and now, Johnny, you wanna just pan this way?
Yeah.
Or you wanna pan this way?
This way.
Okay, which way? You're gonna walk, okay. And so, flew in from Miami this morning, looked at 11 deals this morning, drove to Waco today. By the way, I'm bragging now, and I'm trying to give you an example. Of what it takes to actually buy real estate. This is not done in a hotel room, like you gotta get out and look at properties. So on our way home, we had a list of 13 deals to look at today. This is my 12th deal today, 12th deal, okay? Look at these cardboards. Look at this great product, okay? So I happen to know this is for sale right now. So I came out here at night to talk to tenants. I don't want to talk to the broker. I want to talk to the tenants. Who's living here? Who moved in? Do they feel like there's value? I've already talked to a couple people. We love it here. This is great. The value's good, okay? And we've had some negative comments too, okay? Hey, sir, how you like living here real quick? I'm looking at renting here.
Sorry?
How you like living here? Don't catch me, just kidding.
I like it a lot.
You do?
Yeah.
You think it's a fair value?
Yeah, I do.
Awesome, man.
I
Thanks a
think
lot.
it's great. Like you're off there.
Pulling for the Yankees tonight, man.
Oh, yeah. Thank you
okay.
so much.
Good luck. Did you get a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom?
I got a 1-bedroom, but I got
Yeah, what are you paying for that?
like 11.25 or something.
Yeah, what do you work? Where do you work?
I'm sorry?
Where do you work?
I work for In-N-Out Burger.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
in the area?
Uh-huh.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's kind of cool. I was like the first person to move in here.
Yeah, dude, so, you like the amenities?
Yeah, I do.
Pool's nice?
Yeah, it was nice, yeah. It's
Awesome.
really nice, actually.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, you see, so Ryan's over there talking to people right now. I'm talking to people. People like it. Now, why would I be here at 9 o'clock at night? That's what it takes to find the deals. The last time I was in this town, I made 4. I picked up 4 big ones by finding the right deal at the right time, showing up at night, calling the brokers. Say, dude, I was there last night. I was there again this morning. I met you for lunch. I met you. I want to buy the deal. You got to show real interest in these deals. That means you need to invest energy, time, and resources. By the way, 13 deals, I'm going to buy 2 of them out of the 13. Let's go. Invest in real estate, man. It's going to be a good thing long term. How many guys or companies or groups out there will show you the deals they're not buying? Will show you the deals as they're buying? Will allow you to see my journey while we pick deals, look at deals, negotiate deals, get debt on deals. How many people will do that with you? None. 0. No companies will do that. They're not willing to show you what's really going on. I want to show you. I want to partner with you, a real partnership, so you can see what we're doing, what we're buying, where we're looking. You see me looking at deals every day, passing on a lot of deals. So if you're going to do it by yourself, you got to be willing to do what I'm doing. If you're going to invest with somebody else, a syndicator or another crowdsourcing fund, make sure they're willing to show you behind the scenes, the dirty. Good luck investing. Let me know if I can help you.
Hey, if you like this video, make sure you go watch this video right now. I'll see you there.